Are you eating less, tracking calories and still not losing weight? It's frustrating, right? The problem might be not how much you eat, but how your body processes that food. If your cells don't respond to insulin properly, your metabolism slows down and fat storage increases even on a low-calorie diet. Everything you eat breaks down into fat, protein and carbohydrates, but your body processes each one differently. So while carbs provide quick energy, protein is mainly for repair and fat serves as long-term energy storage. Any extra fat that isn't needed is stored until the body needs it. Your cells don't just take in glucose automatically. They need a signal to let it in. This is where insulin comes in. When you eat, your pancreas releases insulin, which acts like a key, and insulin binds to insulin receptors on your cells, signaling the cells to open glucose channels. Once the channels open, glucose enters the cell and moves into the mitochondria, where it's converted into ATP, which is your body's energy currency. But in insulin resistance, this process doesn't work properly. Your cells stop responding to insulin like a broken lock. Even though your body is producing insulin, the receptors don't recognize it and the glucose channels stay closed, leaving glucose stuck in your bloodstream instead of entering the cell. Your body panics. It senses that your cells aren't getting fuel, so it slows down the metabolism, stores more fat and increases hunger even when you're eating fewer calories. Eating a low-carb diet helps reduce the insulin spikes and improves the cell response. Regular exercise increases insulin sensitivity, and using supplements like Unimati and Balance can further support blood sugar balance and reduce cravings.